Hello, second graders. Ms. Fogelman here today with your math lesson. Let me go ahead and share my screen. Today is September the 14th, and today we're going to be reviewing base 10 blocks, how much they're worth, and how to make a number using the base 10 blocks. Our learning target today is that the student will understand how to use base 10 blocks to create a two-digit number. All right, again, we're going to review what the base 10 blocks are worth, and we're also going to review how to make a number using base 10 blocks. So to do that, Ms. Fogelman is going to pull up her virtual manipulatives and click on the base 10 blocks. All righty. Now, if you remember, this is a rod, and a rod is the same as 10 of these. So if I put these together, I would need 10 of these to make a rod. All right, so again, I would need 10 units in order to make a rod. Of course, then you would need 10 rods to make a flat, and a flat is worth 100. So if I take these off, we can then create numbers using these base 10 blocks, which I know everyone has seen these before. This is just basically a review of what you have done in first grade. All right, so if I wanted to make the number 52, well, in 52, you have 5 groups of 10. So I would need 1 group of 10, 2 groups of 10, 3 groups of 10, 4 groups of 10, 5 groups of 10. So it's like saying 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. We're counting by tens because there's 10 units in a rod. Now our number is 56, so I would need 6 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the number 56. You would count again, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. All right, so let's try another one. All right, so our next number is going to be the number 25. So I would need, in the number 25, the 2 is in the tens place, so of course I would need 2 sets of 10. So here's 1 set of 10, 2 sets of 10, and there's the number 5 in the ones place, so I would need 5 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I was counting, I would say 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Again, we're counting these by tens because there are 10 units that make up that rod. All right, let's try one more, and then I have a few instructions for you about your activities today. Let's say the number 44. 1, 2, 3, 4, because there's the number 4 in the tens place. The number 4 is also in the ones place, so we will put 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if we were counting to make sure we had the number 44, we would say 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. All right, so that was just a quick review to make sure we're understanding base 10 blocks. We are going to then be continuing to work on adding those base 10 blocks together. All right, now Let me stop my share for a moment so I can get my pen. But before I get my pen, I have to move on to my next slide. Then I can get my pen. Okay, so today in Seesaw, you're going to have two assignments. One is part of your playlist. The other is an assessment. So you're going to complete the math activity in Seesaw about using base 10 blocks. It's called base 10 blocks. So that's what you're looking for in Seesaw. Remember, there are multiple pages to this. So it's not just one number you're putting in base 10 blocks. You have to flip through. There's multiple pages. Also, after you're done, making sure you're done with that, you are going to take an assessment on number strings. Unfortunately, our assessment last week on number strings, many of you did not follow the instructions. So we're going to do it again and try to see if we can follow the instructions this time. Okay, so when you are completing it, make sure that you write your new equation right here. See, write your new equation beside the one on the paper. Okay, so this way you can show us which strategy you're using. So you're putting the numbers in the order that you're adding them. Don't just write them exactly how you saw them. You need to put them in a different order, showing us how you're doing your strategies. So for example, if you're using base 10, you're going, I'm sorry, not base 10. If you're using make a 10, then you would have to put the two numbers first in your equation that make a 10. So if my numbers are, say, 4 plus 3 plus 6, you would then put the equation you would put on your paper beside this one would be 6 plus 4, right? Because that makes a 10, plus 3 equals 13. Okay? So please make sure you have that new equation written there, or else it will not be correct, because I need to see if you're using your strategies. So remember, you can either use make a 10, doubles, or near doubles. Read the directions before you get started. All right, so I expect to see everybody getting to work on those two things, getting those turned in today. All right. Get to work and do a good job. Have a good day.